prior to that, we're going to go and stop at Foodland, get some snacks, some fresh donuts, and we're going to go and have a picnic up at Mount Lofty. So stay tuned and follow our day ahead. So we've just stopped at Freeville Foodland. What do you guys want to get? Donuts, snacks.
Donuts.
Donuts for all, hey?
What's your favourite?
Oh, there it is. Vanilla slice.
Yeah. Oh, look at those ones, Dina. Which one do you want?
This one.
You want the chocolate one?
Yeah.
There's more on the other side.
The chocolate.
You like the chocolate?
Chocolate.
Some more donuts and cakes on this side.
Look at these ones. Got some fruit in there, guys.
They all look so good. I don't know what one to get.
I've got mine.
What did you get?
It's just for me.
Oh god, nice work, Joe. What donuts did you get?
Custard. I got chocolate. Chocolate.
Nice, they're so fresh. Yum. Find our picnic spot. Joe's just gone to pay for parking. Love nature, just beautiful, especially in spring. Bit windy, but it's okay. How beautiful. Where are we going, guys? You found a spot? We've set our picnic up. We've got our dessert here. The kids ate theirs in the car. Got our hot chicken, our drinks, and the gorgeous scenery around us.
We got no one around.
So nice, isn't it?
Yeah, you can hear the serenity.
Beautiful.
You can't hear anything except for birds. So relaxing.
Wow, Ari, that's cool.
You gonna be a gymnast?
Oh, nice. Cool.
Well, we got a friend. We got a little bird come to see us.
Let's eat, guys.
See, starving.
Ooh.
Can I catch it, Dina? Oh no. Oh no. Hi, one.
You want the seeds or without seeds?
Mom, the bag.
Oh, you want sauce or without sauce?
I'm only after.
Do you want roll?
I'm only after two. Oh my goodness. Yay.
How's it going, Joe?
Going good. I'm getting full though. We had the chicken. Ate 2 rolls.
Now it's dessert time.
Now it's dessert time. I reckon I can get through the vanilla slice, but
And that's that, hey.
the other one might have to go home with me.
Why not? Save it for later then.
Save it for later. That's for dessert.
We got a lot of food.
Got heaps. That's alright, we can take it all home.
Guys, we're gonna go for a walk. Hello.
Hi, Dina.
Oh yeah.
We are going to burn off some calories now after all that food. Go for a nice walk. There's a lake there as well. So many pretty flowers. Follow me at the leader.
Follow the leader. Yeah, go.
Don't fall into the water.
See if I can make it see the other side.
Try. Let's see.
Made it.
Nice.
I didn't say first go.
I thought you were.
What did you find?
Oh.
It's hiding, is it?
Tina, what's this? What's this, Tina?
Your dad's full of tricks. Nice. Go. Tumble down, Ari. Tumble down. I love spring. So many beautiful colours, different plants, all blossoming. It's just gorgeous. Love it. So relaxing. I've spotted a kangaroo up here. See if we can find it together. Kangaroos resting in nature, just beautiful. So pretty. Gotta love all these beautiful different colours. So you can go and take hiking tracks, walking tracks, picnic spots. Caters for all. So we're taking a path, a mystery path.
See where it leads. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Who are we following?
You.
Following our music.
Pretty flowers. Baby ducklings hiding under their mum's belly. So cute. They're trying to keep warm. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching us. Bye.